Local authorities have authorized this alert. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Video game catastrophes have become reality, as the Roblox horror game Doors has had one of its many monsters manifest into real life. People who have played the video game have referred to this entity as ambush. Some gamers helping the local authorities receiving this info have been told this entity rushes forward and referring to its name, ambushes its target constantly until it eventually kills it. It is distinctive by its loud screaming noise, which we will play a quick sample of now. There are multiple ways to avoid this entity. The following include hiding out of sight, either in a closet, under a bed, or any place where you cannot see the entity. Wielding any holy items also seems to act as a repellent the creature. Please stay tuned for any future advice and other entity appearances. For now, stay safe. Georgia Police Department, out.